5, 4, 3, mount up, speed kick ha. Let's go, Southern MVP platform, 6 o'clock. Mount up. Party, suwayin nyo yung ano, malakas na katapat natin ha. LP sa gitna. Okay, hold, slow push. Counting in 3, 2, 1, push them. Use your consumables, reso front line. Reso front. Go walking LP sa mid part, walang LP sa stock ha. Sige. Push them. Use your consumables, vision up. Ready MVP platform, mamagis mo na. Okay guys, lahat kayo sa gitna muna, 3, 2, 1, push them papunta stairs, push them pa stairs. Guys, kata tayo, mag-compress na lahat sa gitna, Okay, push now, walking LP, slow push. Now, go. Yan, well played. To the stairs. Expel them, from the left side ng ano. Okay, MVP sa pit, location, nasa gitna ata. Wait lang ha, MVP muna ako. Virgin. Location MVP. No, 11 o'clock na sa atin, well played, that's right. 12 o'clock update. 12 o'clock update. Block the stairs. I need someone else, isang shadow team dito. Block the stairs. Wala to overstand. Walang bababa na stairs, ha. Guys, full kill pa block the stairs. Asan yung iba? Hindi pa yung nasa list ko. Okay, no worries. Block the stairs. Walang bababa, ha. Madami ba dyan sa 12? Maraming nasa 12 na MVP. Mahirap din ba? Sige, point system tayo kung hirap, ha. Madami din. Lamang tayo sa MVP. GLC na yung team natin. Pa-update, ha. Breakers, pabasag ng red and green. Tapos shadow team, go to nearest now. Ang Northern MVP, Southern MVP natin, block the stairs, then ikot kayo dyan, hold your positions, doon na overextend, walang bababa na stairs. Report ng spawn location ng MVP, checking ako ng nearest. Ang rule, no matter what, wag lalabas ng flag, walang pupuntahan na iba, mag-hold lang. Sino ang team ng nearest? Shadow team. Kabisado nyo ba yung team party nyo? At meron mga Virgils dito ha. Pa-report na lang sa MVP ha. Lang ako, ang konti ng shadow. Asan kayo? Expel. Okay, MVP sa trade. Last two points ko nakuha nyo yan ha. MVP ha, make sure hawak. Ingat sa steal. Yung blue baka magpasok ha. Huwag na yung iwan yung nearest no matter what ha. Senta. Asan yung MVP? Walang nag-list ko contest ng MVP. MVP update. Nice one. Last two. Pabasagan ng blue. Blue muna priority. Breakers, blue priority. Kailangan ba tayo ng gear? Baka magpasok. Blue, breakers, priority blue. Ignore green, kaya natin yung green eh. Expel on nearest, please. Expel on nearest now. Mag-expel sa near. Well played. Ingat sa blue ha, baka magpasok ha. Yung team ko sa MVP lang ngayon, last 2 MVPs tayo, Breakers go on, go take, well played. Mapa-update lang din sa agit natin ha, sa ayap natin. Last 2 MVPs. Kung pwede kayo mag-steal ng northern, pag na-spawn yung southern northern, steal natin, tapos all bid na tayo later. Sige, hindi na makapagpasok yan. Last 2 MVPs, Yel, Progel, pa-steal ng northern. Tapos kami dito sa near, tapos southern. Update sa 6 o'clock. Nasa atin ba? Na-overrun? Sige. First thing to do, let's go guys. Lahat na namatay. Wait for my command. Counting revals, kaya song now. Push natin southern MVP. 3, 2, 1, push. Be sure consumables now. LP sa stock. Consumables. Gamitin yung consumables. Sige, pushin natin. Kaya natin yan. Spam PPCs. Sige. Asa may sama now. Contesting sila. LP lang sa stock. Yung mga kalusot, punta kagad ng MVP platform. Go 3. Lahat na nasa M3, 2, 1, push now. Push them. Baka mabasagan tayo M pa. Goal natin, bawal mabasag yung natin ha. Bawal. Guys, I need full kill dito sa natin. Sa M muna. Tapos still MVP breakers, kaya steal them. 3, 2, 1, dive them. Pastil lang MVP, mag-expel lahat ng expel. Yung MVP platform sa grid ha. Okay, iwan nyo na yan. Southern kagad, speed kick now. Iwan nyo, masama sa southern. Yung nearest, update on near. Ito. Moonlight flower, palasi, tuli. Fuck, hindi nakuha nila. Nakuha ba nila? Sino nakakuha? Ascent. Virgins. Last 2 MVPs. No matter what, do not throw away near. Kahit anong mangyari, huwag basagan na yan. Huwag mathrow ang southern na MVP, huwag mathrow ang near. Last 2 MVPs guys, Kung kayo mag-steal, basagan nyo na rin yung green breakers. Now. Yung lahat, pumasok na kayo ng crystal. Pumasok lahat na ng crystal. Shadow on near. Please, 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock maybe. Guys, no matter what, please know your positions. Yung green ng last 2 MVPs. Kailangan natin ng last 2 MVPs pa. Sige, pa-report. I need one party. GLC yung party natin sa'yo. Pa-discord ako kaya makapatay. Masarin tayo nito, Virgins. Mag-i-spawn. Kaya bang stila ng 12? Kung kaya. Ito. Teka. Sige, hindi naman makapasok yan eh. Kailangan lang natin last 2 MVPs. Manual reso yung MVP platform. Vision nga, vision sa MVP platform, may nakuha pa tayo. LP sa stock, pushing sila dito ah. Southern ready, Northern ready ah, Northern ready. Nice, Northern. Ninja Breakers. Northern appear, kindly steal anyone, kindly steal. Southern mag-appear na ha, sana mas steal ng North. Nice, well played, Joshua. Well played lang. Northern na lang isang MVP. Isang MVP na lang tayo ha. Okay, ang play natin after MVP, Shadow on near, full kill on mid. Okay guys, ayun yung play ha. No matter what, bawal tayo mabasagan ng Imperium. Kung nabasagan tayo, madidili tayo, okay? Shadow, please remind your party, TL, know your party, secure Shadow team. Secure Shadow team, go to near after MVP, last Southern MVP, then full kill on mid. Na hindi Shadow kill, full kill, go to mid. Last one, please sa walk. Check Imperium, red your speed cake, red your summon zero. Kung sasama tayo agad mamaya. Hold your summon zero. Okay, full kill coming, block the stairs, do not overextend. Last MVP, do not go MVP. Go, LP sa stock, block the stairs now, full kill, block the stairs. Do not extend na, walang bababa. Puputasan ko kayo eh. Block the stairs, do a long range battle, we're on advantage, high ground advantage, walang bababa. Yan, well played. Recorded kayo ha. Okay, subag. Last MVP. Update time natin, wala namang mababasag no? Well played MVP platform. Last one. Fuck. Yung near natin ha, wag niyong bibitawan ha. Wag niyong bibitawan yung near ha, kahit anong mangyari. Baka manalo yung green ha, wag niyong bibitawan yung near. Shit yung near natin, oy boys, near, speed check na. Yung near, Southern MVP yung MVP, near muna. Mapapapasok tayo. Yung near ha, ingat ha. Makukuha nila yung near. Na-steal by Southern. Nice. All mid na, tapos saman. Accept saman, pasok crystal. Pasok ng crystal, pasok ng crystal. Shadow on mid, full, buti nakuha ng red. Okay, ang play natin, Shadow on mid. Full kill doon, sorry, my bad. Shadow on near. Full kill doon mid now. Iwan nyo na MVP, hindi natin kailangan yun. Bilis, bago mananalo yung green. Let's go. Breakers, go to green now. Pass, magsaman, mag-speed check, bilis, matatalo tayo. Bilis. Double time everyone. Shadow on near, full kill doon mid now. Panalo na. Basta wag lang makapasok ng green. Ingat sa green. Okay, well played. Taking mid. Resto front, LP on stock. Taking mid, resto on front. Summon zero, please. Pumasok ng crystal. Pasok, bilis. Okay namin. Sige, dual long range battle, LP on the left side of the crystal. Pumasok lahat ng crystal. Pasok crystal lahat. Pasok crystal. Update sa near. Full build dito, update na. Update sa near, Shadow Beam. Okay. Wait for my command, prepare now. Counting in 3, 2, 1. Sabay pumasok now. Pasok. Papatay nga nung isang nagpapatay na doon na may kasama. Guys, huwag kayong mag-PK. Unahin yung crystal, pumasok kayo sa loob. Objective tayo, objective. Do LP. Release, bago tayo mag-delay, pumasok LP. Reso front, now. Hirap pumasok. Guys, do not focus on PK. Full guild on the stairs, counting in 3, 2, 1. Push them. Use your speed kicks. Prepare for lit. Skyry song now. Bilis. Tapos update sa near. Bakit wala pa? Hindi hirap ba sa near? Hirap ba tayo sa near? Guys, hirap ba sa near? Bakit hindi matake yung near? Shadow team. Update naman. Guys, update. I need some updates. Ayun na, taking over mid now. Take over mid. Shadow, take nyo na yung near. Mananalo na tayo. Kunin nyo na yung near bago matake sa amin yung mid. Bilis. Asan yung shadow team? Okay, taking. Parang hirap din sila. LP sa stock. Compress tayo doon, sa mid meron tayong 7 o'clock. Compress tayo doon sa 7 o'clock ng mid. 7 o'clock. May LP ako doon, tumayo kayo doon. 7 o'clock ng mid. Taking near. Guys, yung consumables na lahat. Bago pag nakuha yung near, panalo na tayo. Pumasok na crystal. Mananalo na tayo. Pumasok na crystal. Magsama zero. Pumasok na crystal. Pumasok. Near. Well played ha. Update ng near. Update sa near. Bilis yung near. Kung kaya makuha yung near ha. Makuha yung mid natin ha. Kunin nyo agad yung near. Sige. Contest lang. Okay, ganito play. Full guild on near muna tayo. Full guild on near now. Ignore mid. Summon hold your summon zero, please. Full guild on near now. Lahat na nasa stairs. Walking LP sa stairs. Push them. Mag-LP kayo, LP up. All near for now. Please listen to Cox. LP sa choke point ng stairs now. Reso front. LP dive now. Okay, counting in 3. Pasok agad ang plaga. 3, 2, 1. Pasok. Dive. Okay, pagka-take na ito, push tayo pa mid. Wait lang, hold your positions. Prepare for lead. Kyrie song now. Hold your positions. Pumasok ng crystal. Practice to hold. Prepare for elite song, hiring now. Okay, speed check ready. 3, pamid tayo. 3, 2, 1, push them. Push mid now. Push mid now. Push mid now. Mid. Makinig sa command. Mid tayo, mag-mid. Yung F natin ha. Speed check, mag-speed check. Tapos summon 0. Papasok ng crystal, tapos summon agad. Summon ha, summon. Summon. Bilis. Summon. Sana wag matake yung near. Bilis, pumasok lahat bago matake yung near. Pasok. Pasok, bilis. Lamang tayo ha, bago matake yung near. Huwag na tayo mababasagan ng F. Puta, malapit na yung mid. Pumasok. Yung share ko siya mga boys, bago makuha yung near. Shit. Magsamon. Makukuha yung near ha, makukuha na. Well played. GG. Well played everyone. GG. Thank you.